Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm just putting together a full HD frontal wig unit. I'm adding color and I'll be customizing the lace as I'm doing right here, and I'll be doing a few other things in this video. So I already placed the cap, also the lace, on my mannequin. If you would like to know exactly how to do this, just type in how to make a wig from start to finish in my search bar and you'll find plenty of videos of how to do this. Now, let's sew this baby down. So because my model wants color, I already put color onto the weave while I was doing the lace, customizing the lace, and I'll be going back over it once it's completely done. And remember, anytime you're starting your track and you hit the rubber right there, always just go under the first line. Do not go through the whole band. So your wig will be able to fit. It won't fit anyone for that matter if you sew through that elastic, so try your best not to. You can sew through the first layer. So if you can avoid going through that in between that band right there, you can do that, but if you must, you can still do the same technique. Do not go through the whole band. Remember to just go through the first thin layer and it will still hold perfectly. So if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and if you would like to know exactly how to make a wig from start to finish, you can just type in the search bar like I said earlier, and you'll find plenty of videos of how to do that. So right here, obviously, I went back over the lace and I added more color for a brighter and more smoother effect. So now that she's all washed out, I soaked her in purple shampoo. So now I'm just gonna give her a quick trim. Nothing too in-depth because I wanna do it on the model's head, but I know she wants it a little bit shorter than what it is. So I'm basically gonna stop right here because I wanna finish the cut on the model. And I would love to share a new item that I received with you guys. So let's unbox this thing. Let's get in here. So this is how it's packed right now. So stick around. Remember to leave a like on the video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because this item right here is a game changer. So stick around. This is what we have. So let's find the port. So the port is exactly in the back right here. This is the front. That's the top. And that's what it looks like inside. So it has a max line right there, guys. So I guess that's where we put the water. So let's try this out. So now we're gonna turn it on at the top. Ooh, okay. My necklace is really dirty, guys. It's been a while since I cleaned it. just stopped automatically, guys, on its own. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it now. I'm going to take it out. And let's see. We didn't use any solution. Is the water hot? No, it's not hot. So I took it out and I cleaned it, but honestly, guys, it looks so clean. Now, it really looks very clean. But what I want to do a side by side with what I started with, but honestly, guys, I feel like this is a good product to get. I don't wear retainers or braces, so I don't know how well it will clean that. But as far as the jewelry, and I feel like if you use jewelry cleaner and on top of using this, it will make an extreme difference in your jewelry. So I'm kind of liking how it came out. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a big difference.
So my son said it himself. This is his chain, so trust me, he knows. And it came out very well from what I can see. So we're gonna get back into the video, guys, and remember to leave a like on this video. Remember to hit the description box and get you one of these. You won't regret it. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but this also does makeup brushes, which I'm definitely going to use it for. Necklaces, rings, water flosser tips, retainers, dentures, anything. So guys, go over down into my description, hit the link and get you one. You will not regret it. So let's get back to the video. Let me guys know if you want a more in-depth tutorial of where to place your band in your units. Let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video for you guys, because this is a very important part of your unit. So let me know, guys. And as wide and as firm as the band is that I'm using, you can see right here that you will not be able to see it. Just sew it through very thin. So basically, I'll do a tutorial for you guys if I get enough likes on this video. Get me up there to at least 200, guys. Come on. Let's do this road to 10,000. Lego.